Waakye is a dish much loved by almost every Ghanaian, and the actual name is shinkafa the waakye, which means rice and beans. Waakye refers to the beans in the Hausa language, and it is a street food. However, you can prepare this yourself in a more healthier way by getting yourself a pot of water. Now, at this stage, you can add the husk of the millet plant, the red millet plant, even though this can be omitted. You don't wash your beans, add to the water, and this is black-eyed peas. Get this to boil for a while, and then you now wash your rice, add to the beans, stir it so that it incorporates. Now add a bit of seasoning and then cover it and allow it to cook on low heat till the rice is done. And this is what you have. It is as delicious as it looks. Trust me, just give it a try.